Hello students, we have learned about decimals in the previous video. In this video, we learn about conversion. First conversion in 1 rupees equal to 100 paise. So 1 paise will be equal to 1 upon 100 rupees. It will be explained as by cross multiplication 1 rupees can be written as 1 upon 1 and 100 paise can be written as 100 upon 1. Now cross multiplication 1 and 100. So 100 transfer to here and 1 transfer to here. So it will become 1 upon 100 and 1 upon 1. So we can say 1 upon 100 equal to 1 upon 1. 1 upon 100 rupees equal to 1 upon 1 paise. If we convert 7 paise into rupees, then in the conversion we have units 1 paise equal to 1 upon 100 rupees. So in the 7 paise we multiplied to 7 by both sides, 7 into 1 and 7 into 1 upon 100. So 7 into 1 7 paise, 7 into 1 upon 100 equal to 7 upon 100 rupees. 7 can be written as the 7.0 and the by dividing rules decimal shifted here after the 2 digit to the left side. So because here in the denominator 2 zeros, so decimal shifted to the left side after 2 digit. Clear? So it will be 0.07 rupees. Clear? So in the 7 paise rupees will be 0.07. We know that in the conversion table 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Clear? 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So by cross multiplication 1 written as 1 by 1, 100 written as 100 by 1, and cross multiply 1 to 100, 100 goes to here and 1 goes to here. So it will be 1 upon 100 and it will be 1 upon 1. Units that is as it is remain same, here meter, here centimeter. So fraction will be become 1 upon 100 meter, 1 upon 1 centimeter. If we want to convert 5 centimeter into meter, for this conversion we multiply it by 5 both side. It will be become 5 centimeter and it will be become right side 5 meter upon 100. Now 5 can written as 5.0 and decimal shifted after the 2 digit to the left side and it will become 0.05 meter. Clear? Now in the another example of conversion, we know that 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. If we want to convert kilometer into centimeter, we know that in 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So in 1000 meter we multiplied by 100 to 1000. It will be become 1 lakh centimeter. Clear? So 1 kilometer equal to 1 lakh centimeter. Clear? So in the 1 centimeter equal to 1 lakh transfer to upon the 1 and it will be become 1 centimeter equal to 1 upon 1 lakh kilometer. If we want convert 5 centimeter into kilometer, so we multiplied 5 both sides, so that will be 5 into 1, 5 centimeter, and 5 upon 1 lakh kilometer equal to 5 can be written as 5.0, and here divided by 1 lakh. In 1 lakh 50 here, so decimal shifted after 5 digits, so put the extra 4 digit for making 5 digit, and decimal shifted here. Clear? So student, practice two other examples which is given in your book for the conversions. Clear? Now comparison of fraction, we read, let A upon B and C upon D given us two fractions. For the comparison of the fractions, we use cross multiplication, we know that. So A multiplied to D and C multiplied to B. So A multiplied to D and C multiplied to B. Which is greater number? We write or put the sign of for them. Clear? Take an example. If 3 upon, we compare to 3 upon 4 and 5 upon 7. Clear? Cross which is greater, for to find which is greater, cross multiplicate 3 to 7 and 5 to 4. This will be 21 and this will be 20. 21 is greater, 21 is greater. So 3 upon 4 will be greater to the 5 upon 7. Clear? This is cross multiplication method for checking comparison of fractions. Clear? So practice to its in many other examples which is given in our books. Okay, in next video we read about another properties of fractions and decimals. Okay, bye.